Subtly exquisite, and better than new, this GL Homes built Carrera model is in Valencia Lakes, Tampa Bay's premier 55-plus active adult community. Completed in 2016, this Carrera is adorned with an abundance of upgrades. Its 1,779 square feet provide great space for 3 bedrooms and the open floor plan, which are complemented by a 225 square feet Lanai and Screen Room with a beautiful southerly water view. The exterior is immaculate. Hurricane accordion shutters have recently been installed on all windows, the roof has been soft washed, the pavers power washed and sealed, and the curbed gardens replanted. Upon entering through the etched-glass front door, you will be welcomed into the foyer, which provides an all-encompassing view of the open floor plan, which features engineered hardwood floors, crown molding and plantation shutters throughout. The dining room features chair rail millwork and a classic chandelier. The 275 square feet great room has a commanding view of the house, and the 9 sliders, adorned with electric sliding shears, afford a magnificent view of the pond. The Gourmet Kitchen with space for family dining features 42 inches Dove white solid maple level 4 cabinetry with crown molding on the upper cabinets, soft close drawers and cabinet doors, 2 Lazy Susan corner cabinets, above and below cabinet lighting, stainless steel appliances that include a Bosch dishwasher and GE dual oven convection range, GE microwave convection oven, LG French door fridge, a pantry with pull-out shelves, and gorgeous granite counters accented by taupe-colored optical glass backsplash, a large single basin sink, a reverse-osmosis water faucet and a bar height counter with pendant lights. The laundry room features a Whirlpool High-Efficiency front-loading steam washer and steam dryer. The master bedroom has a great view of the pond and features a ceiling fan, bespoke millwork, 2 customized walk-in closets and an ensuite bathroom which features a large glassed-in walk-in shower with floor-to-ceiling wall tile, 2 separate vanities capped with quartz counters, bronzed MOEN EVA faucets throughout, framed mirrors, a linen closet and a separate room for the commode. Bedrooms 2 and 3 are at the front of the house, which affords great privacy, and they have ceiling fans. The second bedroom has direct access to the second bathroom, which has as a tub-to-ceiling wall tiles, a banjo quartz counter with oil bronzed faucets and a framed mirror. Environmental comforts are ensured by a brand new Carrera 3-ton, 15 SEER HVAC heat pump and a new Culligan Water Softener System, Eaton Complete Home Surge Protection and whole house rain gutters. The 21X22 garage features a high-end epoxy finish and insulated garage door with a quiet Liftmaster Belt-Drive opener with Wi-Fi MyQ functionality. This Carrera is subtly exquisite and is certain to be a perfect space for you to start living your idyllic life.